Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know this is an extremely different background. I'm sitting on my couch because I'm being lazy as hell today. So today I have let's make sure I have a influencer unboxing, and I'm actually pretty stoked about this one, you guys. So fun fact about me, I love fucking ranch on everything. I'll eat it with french fries, pizza, salad, of course. Like, I don't know, if chicken wings, anything that you can dip ranch into, I'm all about this. So as soon as I saw that I was qualified for Twisted Ranch, I was like, I'm in heaven. Because not only do I like ranch, but I do like spicy ass foods, and I like twist to my foods. And I think you get two things in here. Let's see what we got. Alright, so the first one is just this little card, and it's just telling you, obviously, influencer, what you're getting, and it says that the ranch geniuses at the Twisted Ranch restaurant in St. Louis, like, whoever invented ranch, I love you, dude. Never stop taste testing mind-blowing new ranches. So we turned to them for inspiration and created a line of creamy ranch flavor that encourages you to put ranch on everything. With 4 totally twisted flavors, you'll be sure to find at least one that makes all your dipping dreams come true. They have a garlic smashed buffalo, they have a black peppered parmesan, and they have a cheesy smoked bacon and a new cheddar popped jalapeno. So I don't know which ones I got, but we're about to find out. So this is definitely going in my scrapbook. I love keeping stuff like that. It's just a reminder, like, hey, I was qualified for this box. So the first one it looks like I got is the cheddar popped jalapeno, which seems like it's going to be really good. And it just looks something like this. So you do actually get a pretty good sized bottle of this. This is a 13 fluid ounce, so it will last me a little bit. When it comes to ranch, you guys, I'm always adding ranch to my grocery cart. And the date is October 17th, 2020. So I still got a little bit of time. And then this one is the Twisted Ranch garlic smashed buffalo. So I do like buffalo flavored wings. So I wonder if this will be really good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open these, and I'm going to do like a little sniff and a little bit of a taste. Alright, so the first one I'm going to try is the Twisted Cheddar Popped Jalapeno. Let's see what this bad boy tastes like. Woo! Okay, that definitely has some potent smell to it. Alright, so I am definitely smelling some ranch in here with some jalapeno. So let's go ahead and give this bad boy. Instead of sticking my finger in here and people using this, I'm just going to use the little tab. Alright, so I do have a pretty good amount on there. Okay. It's pretty bearable, I can tell you that much. Like, it's kind of got a weird consistency. It almost kind of tastes like a jalapeno cheddar pop bite. If you ever got into anything like that, that's definitely what this tastes like. It's not too hot. Now, I'm somebody who can eat hot food, so when I always say it's not that hot, it's because I'm immune to heat. So to me, the jalapeno, you can taste the jalapeno. It does have a little kick to it, but it's nothing that's gonna just be like, oh my god, what the hell did I just eat, or make your eyes water or anything to that nature. So that one just tastes like a cheddared jalapeno popper to me. Alright, so let's try the garlic smashed buffalo. I'm really curious about this because I like buffalo flavored wings. Alright, so this one I can already smell it. And this one smells like it's going to be the one that I'm really going to enjoy more than that one. So let me close it up so I don't get it all over my couch. And let's give this bad boy a taste. So I do have a pretty good amount. Oh yes, that one will definitely go good with some damn French fries and shit. Oh my god. That one is really good. I like that one. Definitely has the ranch with the buffalo kick to it, which I love. You guys, I'm not even playing around. This will definitely be put to good use before October. I can definitely tell you that. Probably more than this one. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys tried these? Do you plan on wanting to try these? I don't know if these are anything like extremely new. So yeah, let me know down below if you would get a kick out of the cheddar popped jalapeno or if you would get it more into the garlic smashed buffalo. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and little taste testing and sniffing review. And as always, you guys, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And fuck what people have to say about you. See you guys.